Okay, so I've allowed it to sit and freeze overnight. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the lid and show you what it looks like. As you can see, you have 3 total blocks of ice, first, second, and third. That is what they are labeled. So you want to go ahead and take them out in that order and place them in your cup. So I already have my cup right here. I'm going to go ahead and take out the ice and show you how it fits in your cup. Also, something that is included is you do get little gloves. So I'm going to go ahead and put them on so I could go ahead and remove the ice. So as you can see, it's just a simple plastic glove. You do get a few of these little baggies, but you could go ahead and use regular gloves, but I do like that these were included. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of the package, put them on, and then we're going to go ahead and add the ice to my water cup. Okay, so we want to start off with the first one, the one that says first, and gently squeeze it out of here. And the third one is the bigger block, just to go ahead and fill your cup to the top. Take a look. So as you can see, the ice is filled up all the way to the top. I absolutely love that they are structured in a specific way to fit my cup. The molds fit perfectly from the first, second, and third. It keeps my cup full of ice and it keeps it cool throughout the day. So overall, if you're looking for ice molds that fit your tumbler cup, I would definitely recommend.